Need a laptop that won't crash the moment you load a complex 3D scene? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best laptops for 3D modeling, from powerhouses that chew through renders to lightweight travel companions and even a dual-screen wildcard. All the buy links for these laptops are waiting for you in the description below. And if this video saves you hours of research, do me a favor, hit that like button, share this with a fellow modeler, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Legion Pro 5 Gen 8, the best overall laptop for 3D modeling. No list would be complete without this machine. It is one of the most highly reviewed devices on the market, and for good reason. Its powerful AMD processors and NVIDIA GPU handle gaming, 3D modeling, and animation with relative ease. On the memory side, the Legion Pro 5 is also well equipped, packing 32 GB of RAM, that is twice the amount recommended for programs like Blender. And we are talking DDR5 memory too, which offers greater capacity and bandwidth for high-speed data processing. Display-wise, the 16-inch screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate delivers smooth performance, though it is not exactly mind-blowing. One thing to keep in mind is that the Legion Pro 5 is quite chunky, so if you plan to do a lot of 3D modeling on the go, that is worth bearing in mind. Moving on to number 2, the LG Gram 17. Considering that it has an RTX 3050 GPU under the hood, this laptop is exceptionally light. At just 0.7 inches thick, it is impressively narrow and easy to carry around. With a Core i7 CPU and 16 GB of DDR5 memory, it should handle most common 3D modeling tasks without issue. And when you add in the 17-inch display with the same resolution as the Legion Pro 5, the LG Gram 17 seems like the perfect lightweight travel companion for modelers. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The GPU is now a bit dated, so while it is great for content creation basics, it is slower at completing more advanced tasks. CPU throttling is also a known issue, that is where the processor starts slowing things down when it senses overheating. So this laptop does sacrifice some performance in pursuit of sleek, lightweight computing. Number 3, the ASUS TUF Gaming F15. This is often touted as one of the best budget 3D modeling laptops money can buy, and it strikes an excellent balance between affordability and performance. Its Intel CPU and NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics card are not cutting edge, but they will handle most 3D modeling tasks just fine. The device also covers the full DCI-P3 color gamut, that is a spectrum of display colors established by the film industry, so you can be confident that your models will appear exactly as intended. On the flip side, the TUF Gaming's monitor is generally not of high quality, and the laptop would require significant upgrades to tackle rendering and 3D modeling tasks at pace. Ultimately, it is a great option for modelers on a budget, but there are more capable solutions out there if you can spend a bit more. Now number 4, the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. If you are looking for another budget gaming laptop that can double as a 3D modeling machine, this device offers a great alternative. Its RTX 3050 GPU means it faces the same limitations as the LG Gram 17, but that is much easier to forgive from a sub-$700 machine. The IdeaPad can also be upgraded, so if you find yourself needing more memory, you can simply add more. The device even lasts for over 8 hours on a single charge, though rendering or gaming will take a big chunk out of that figure. There is not all that much to criticize here. Lenovo has come up with a great starting point for those just getting involved in 3D modeling, even if it does not run certain games on the highest settings or render at a speed that will please professional users. And finally number 5, the ASUS Zenbook Duo OLED. Last but not least, we have the 2024 Zenbook Duo. With 3 previous generations already on the market, ASUS has had a few attempts at nailing the dual-screen formula, but this time it appears to have found the right design. Featuring a second screen in place of the keyboard, this laptop is perfect for modelers who like to sketch designs by hand. As with the LG Gram 17, the Zenbook Duo's sleek form factor does come at the cost of performance. The device's Intel Arc graphics card is said to run Photoshop reasonably well but struggles with tougher tasks like gaming and 3D rendering. That said, dual-screen hardware is really all about the user experience. The Zenbook Duo's versatility and intuitive stylus integration make it incredibly easy to get to grips with. And with 16 GB of RAM and a built-in SSD, it is hardly a slouch in general computing terms. So if you are looking for a left-of-field alternative for 3D sculpting, the Zenbook Duo is definitely a viable option. Just bear in mind that it is not purpose-built for modeling. And there you have it, the 5 best laptops for 3D modeling, whether you need raw power, portability, or something completely different. All the buy links for these laptops are in the description below. If this video helped you find the right machine, do me a quick favor, smash that like button, share this with anyone who spends hours waiting for renders, and subscribe so you never miss another honest review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.